Hey YouTube, and I'm back with another video again. And today I'm going to be doing my slime. The slime that I bought from this place, Taffy Slime Shop online. And it came in the mail because I told you that I'll be out of town, so I wasn't really making videos. See guys, it's in a pink package. And I already opened it and looked at it. So she sent me stuff like this, a card. I'm going to show you guys that at last. I'm gonna clean this. Y'all need to be quiet up in there. Shh. Okay, so I'm gonna open that the little card extraction glass. I'm trying to get to the slime. The slime came in bubble wrap, so I guess while it was shipping, I don't know where the. God, it smells like Laffy Taffy. So I think. I feel like this is very. Oh, it's not that sticky because what I was playing with, because when I first opened the package, it was like very sticky. It smells like Laffy Taffy. What is this slime called? Frosted lime cake, cupcake. That's what it says. Frosted lime cupcake. I think this is crunchy because it has little sticks in it, but this is my first online shipping slime. Wait, okay? I gotta finish this. I said wait. You guys finish playing y'all game. Okay, stop watching me, Empress. What you watching me for? So I'm just playing because you guys, I guess it was because I was out of town for like a week. I'm gonna play for like a little bit. Guys, it's like sticky, but at the same time it's not that sticky. I said wait, okay? Okay. Y'all need to play a game, or I'm gonna get Auntie Ashley to get y'all, cause y'all not listening. It smells like green Laffy Taffy. No. Oh, this one's good. This one's sick. I'm trying to play with it as much in the container, but I guess it's a little sticky. So now I'm gonna read what I got. So that. So my card is Taffy Slime Shop her, you know. She sent me with this candy that I'm not gonna eat. I hope she sees this. She sent me with some borax. I guess it's just like so sticky and thin. Also, she sent me with some pear. So do not eat. Okay. So she sent me some slime cake. Okay, y'all see that? Slime cake instructions. YouTube. Wow. But guys, like, can you get this video to like 25 likes or more? Because guys, I just like really wanna like, you know, actually, you know. Okay, so guys. Wait. Because she's biting it. She sent me with some of these. She sent me with green of these. She sent me with green. They're in the slime. She sent me with. Yep. Are you okay? Okay. It's my baby sister and the two. Okay. She sent me. Okay. So she said. Okay. So what she put in the slime was like some yellow ones, and the white ones, and like some blue ones. Guys, I love this package. I'm gonna shop there more for slime. They also have like squishies. They also have like squishies there, clay. Cause I've been looking like on the last day of school, in the last week of school. We were just on Taffy Slime Shop. We were just on it, and plus I was bringing slime to school. So, hey guys, I had this big, hey, shh, and I had this big slime at my house, so I technically have 2 slimes. And if this slime gets hard, your girl know what to do. But I'm trying not to lose the scent, because I don't want to use the scent that much. I don't want to lose the scent. Just for the spill this out. Right now, I'm basically babysitting, and I'm at my nana's house. It's not that sticky, so good. It's really not. I guess it's still melted. My mom told me to put it in the refrigerator because she, yeah. So I might put it in the refrigerator. Gonna put that just back. It has a lot of foam balls in there, in here. I love the container. Like, I love the container. So guys, yeah, I'm gonna put this up, and y'all need to like and subscribe. This is how the website looks. I'm gonna be showing you guys the website on my other video. We're about to slime back because you guys kept on, because my friends kept on asking me, don't worry about them bumps. I gotta wash my face again. So guys, I will subscribe, like, and get this video to 25 likes. Remember, I just started my YouTube channel. But thank you guys. Bye, YouTube. I'm making another video probably tomorrow or later on today. But bye, guys.